What up, people? Sorry, I won't start this with a scream. I can't see the chat. Let me try to figure it out. Cool. Okay. We're back. Back in the Greenville. Time to build. No Twos Joe today. Twos Joe is not home. So that is what that is. I was fixing some things before this. I'm really upset about this capture bar experience right now, so I might mess around with that, but then I think I'm going to do the select actions, hook those up a little bit, and then potentially I will move into list actions. So, yeah, I think I'll just do the, let me take a look quickly at the capture bar, because it's annoying me. This is why they with me. Joe. Sorry, I'm looking at some code, older versions of code, just to see like why it seems to be so different. This is why they with me. What up, random point of view? How are you? I'm not the person to talk to, sorry. I'm not working on that. That's Twos Joe's department. Looking at an older version of capture bar and wanted to share it with you to see. Sorry. If today I am working on well, I'm going to be working on the select actions, but as it is right now, I'm working on the capture bar. And this transition is just really bothering me. So I'm going to try to figure out what to do about that. We shall see. Why is it so bad? What's going on? Besides twos, what would be your next choice for a similar product? Nothing. Ooh. I've actually built other things. I use this app called awarepath.com. Or it's just called Aware, but Aware. Let me see if I can go to the homepage. But it's like a daily activity tracker. But I built a lot of things. So maybe that's similar, but I guess I already did it. But no, we're building twosap.com, best place to write things down. If you don't write things down there, what are you doing with your life? There. That was a joke. I'm not funny, so. Oh yeah, I think it looks better. I don't know exactly what happened, but golly day. Nice. All day. I gotta figure that one out. Well, yeah. Let me get a, Hey, it's a time of the year. It might be. Hi, Shy. It might be more echoey. I know that there's people outside that are doing the garden or whatever it is, lawn. But I also think it may just be this microphone and being in this apartment. Maybe if I flipped around and was against a wall, it'd be better. Because I'm like kind of sitting in the middle of this room. Now you guys are freaking out. When's it going to? Let me watch this and see what we're talking about here. Good morning, Rich. Stickers will be in the mail today. Tonight. What should I do about this volume thing? Should I try my AirPods? I have an idea. Un segundo. white headphones. Hello? Hello? I think this is better. Is it any better? Is this better? Let's it still seems like there's a little bit of a okay. You know, what are you gonna do? No Joe today. Joe is traveling. Trying to get his visa or whatever it is. And yes, back home in the Greenyville. Very excited about it. And away we go. And thank y'all for letting me know that the other one was so bad. I appreciate y'all. Okay. Yeah, I think it is much better. What was I gonna do? Oh yeah, I was gonna try to do the pull down thing. Do I want to do the pull down thing, or should I just do the select actions and move on? I'm not hyperventilating. You are. Okay, let's do some select actions. Let's see how that goes. Right? For real. Do I think enough? Okay. We are going to implement the select actions. Select actions? Is that what I want to do? I miss you. Yeah. Yep, that's what we'll do. Ooh, that's important. No fairy tale. Okay. We're going to implement the select actions for kings. We will need to work on each of the action buttons in the select. We are going to start with move. We've had move working before. I just tried moving to a new day that we didn't have things on before, and I saw these errors. I may need your help debugging what the issue was. Please. Sorry. Sorry for screaming. Thanks, Nino. How are you? Let's see. I'm doing great. Happy to be home. They ain't got it like we do. What do you mean by normalized title? What do you even mean? Like, what do you... What do you even mean? Just saying. I don't, yeah, okay, yeah, for sure. Yeah, 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 yeah. No autofocus capture bar when coming to the capture view from the world tab or any tab. You know what I'm saying? Shoot, I wanted to do one other thing. Subless functionality, what the? I want to do something with that capture view really quickly. I know you love me. Cursor? Can the list / day for the capture bar on the capture view be the day we change to on page 1 of the pager view? If we pick a different list from the list picker, that's fine. But if we change days, like from today to tomorrow via swipe or picking on the calendar, the capture bar should be adding to that day / list, and we should be showing that day in the picker label. Yeah? 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 Why do they do that? No. I don't know what's wrong with me. I love George. Looking outside for the answers. Why do I feel the way that I feel? Alright, chill out with all the words. Gosh. Just do it. I'm gonna tell you times I was struggling. Money hungry. Food in my stomach. Nina, where are you at? Love George, don't mess him. I guess not, I don't know. Nina, where are you at with the capture screen? I did do the reorder stuff, I think. Should we give it a go? I'm kind of worried about the... And I think I can do it in the list view too. Bro, we got lists. What are you talking about? You know what I'm saying? Okay. Oh, gosh. Oh, it's because I had indented things. Oh. Okay. Oh. Sorry. What's I need to look at... We'll do it. We'll figure it out. Dude, like, chill out, cursor. What are you doing, my dog? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Let's see how it goes. Excuse you? Don't. Is that me? Did I say that? What's my name? I just tried. Wait. Let me give it a refresh. Just see what's happening, you know what I'm saying? Okay. What's that about? tried swiping on the capture bar in the capture view, and I'm not seeing any changes. I see. Yeah, we'll see about this. Today? Am I doing anything right now? What is my name? I am able to swipe on the day header, but not on the capture bar. I also saw that the list picker for the capture bar didn't change when I changed dates with swipe on the day header. Let's see. And of course, I had to explore database, but I figured out swiping to today from capture with AI, but that one was also tough. The pull down to today, yeah, I know what you're saying. Just like this. Are you actually getting the refresh, or are you just picking up on the gesture and then having it navigate? You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? I got one thing on my bucket list: get rich as Elon Musk. Okay. 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 The money give me chills. A. Get rich as Bill. Oh yeah. I got one thing on my bucket list: get rich as Elon Musk. I got. I can swipe on the capture bar, but I am still facing the issue where changing the day either with the, let me just make sure I'm not lying to these people. With the calendar picker or swipe doesn't impact the list for the capture bar. Here is a photo of after I changed to tomorrow, but the capture bar list label still shows today. Also, here are some logs in case they are helpful. Yes, gesture. By tracking the pager view on scroll, I think. I tried refresh control and reanimated minute, but it made it worse. I also don't think emulating refresh control is ideal since you're not waiting for something. You're just going to today. I like that. I'll do this gesture to go down there. I am happy with how good that is, though. That's nice. That's nice. Senor Nino, I have a design question for you based on something that Joe said to me that he would like to see. I mean, these are just the greatest freaking twos ads of all time. For this, right here. August 6th. Joe wants that. He wants that. He wants the little thing right there. He doesn't want these arrows. Me too. Because I try to click the arrows and it doesn't do what I want them to do. Blah, blah, blah. That's not my question. I mean, hilarious or was it adorable? TwoZap.com. TwoZap.app. My question is, what do you do? Like, it makes sense when we have today, or we have yesterday, or we have tomorrow. But if you go multiple days into the future, and then we have Thursday, August 14th. Does it make sense to just have it say Thursday, and then August 14th? It's a little confusing because even if we went like multiple Thursdays in, it would still say Thursday, August 28th. No way, that was definitely real. Yeah, you might be right. Dang. I'm not sure. Thank you. I mean, I was just thinking about that. I was like, I don't know if that design really makes sense if we're not on like today or tomorrow or yesterday. Like yesterday's great. Yesterday, whatever the date is. But on like a future, yeah. 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 Like almost it should change. It should maybe say like today, Monday. I don't know. What was my idea? Just Thursday, whatever. That one kind of confuses me though, because is it like in 2 Tuesday? 3 Tuesday? Alright, let's see. Good boy. Good boy, George. Good boy, George. 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 People. Yeah. It still scares me though, because it's like, yeah, but it's not next Thursday. It's like next Thursday. Faux team. Big faux team. You know what's going on. Look at us. Look at us. Okay. Ain't no. There you go. Let's go to a list. One time. Hi. Did I already do that hi? I believe it is working great. You can count me out. I believe it's working great. One last issue. Jeez. One more issue. Will never be the last issue. Ooh, 92%? When we go from a list in the list detail view to the capture view, I notice that we do update where the capture bar things will go, but we don't show the list picker. I think it's because we're coming from the list detail view and we don't show the list picker on the capture bar there, but we should be able to use it on the capture view. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I'm saying. Literally, no difference. Or no difference for me because I'm not writing the code. If I had to do stuff like this, wait, where do I do it? I guess this stuff, or this, I'd cry. I've heard recently that it just doesn't matter. It's probably better for the AI so that it knows. And it's the one doing it, but I don't really, it has been no difference for me. And if I were to be hand coding all of this stuff, I wouldn't have done it. But also, you probably should because I think it's just good, right? Like it gives better context, it knows. Whereas before it was like me that knew. So if I was working on a team, it'd probably be more helpful because they'd be like, what type am I expecting? But I just knew because I had written it. Okay, I think this should be okay. Why is it freaking out? Ooh. I'm gonna throw some stuff at it. Thank you. Oh, it's still going? Chill out. I've got someone begging me for 200 coins back. Writing me 5-paragraph emails to explain why they want their 200 coins returned. Hey, why? Hi, Betty. No way. This lady's name's Betty Ross. Is this Betty Ross? Wait, no, Betty Ross isn't. Who's the famous old lady? Betty White. This isn't their first email. This is their fourth email. And all of them have been just as long. It's like, hey, what? I mean, she can have 2,000 coins. Is it in the loop? Yeah. Yeah. You gotta chill. You gotta chill. What are you doing? Take it easy. How do I stop? There we go. Let me see. Why are we up to 90% already? What the heck just happened? I'm sweating. Sorry, Betty's getting to me. That works, but it seems like the capture bar is slower now. At least maybe not. What's the deal? This is what it seems like after we I'm not sure actually. I need to look into that. No, he's not. Or maybe he is. He doesn't really be quiet though, so I'm sure that if he was here that there would be noise. I mean, we'll see what happens, you know? Is it in a loop again? What are we doing here? Oh, is it going one by one? What a psycho. Good, 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 good. Good, 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 good. I don't know what's the problem here? I don't know. I mean, like, I guess I'll wait for them to do this. Back on the salt water, baby. Salt water back. Missed it. Send Rich stickers on my day today. Oh, I literally will not. Literally will not. I don't know. Do I need to stop this thing? This is crazy. It seems like it's stuck now. Okay, yeah, yeah, okay. Good job. Let me see. God, it's still so like. Literally. Gosh. It's still pretty glitchy. It's not a very smooth transition from collapsed to expanded when we focus or blur the capture bar. Maybe there was a change you made recently. Paused. Maybe? Maybe? Maybe not. Why does it seem good and then you know, go around? Should I ask him about this? Are you ready for that? I saw it, don't worry. Better than this. Let me go back to today. See how cripey it gets? Why does that happen? It seems like only after we go to the list detail view through the lists view and then come back to today. Maybe it's the virtual list issue. I literally will be sending some for Riley, so yes. Literally. I don't know about you, Rich. I literally don't know about you. But I know that I write down things that I want to remember so that I can act on them later. And one of those things was to send Rich some stickers in the mail when I get back. Literally got back last night, so I'll literally be sending those today. And I wrote down Riley's name so I could send stickers to Riley because shout out Riley. So I just write things down. that I want to remember. I definitely think it's not. You don't think it's the issue with the virtual list? What do you think it's an issue with? Whatever they're doing right now? A mí también. A mí también. It's the only Spanish I know. Do you think this is it? Do you think this is what's causing the issue? Oh gosh. Oh. Seemed almost better. I spent a lot of time yesterday listening to Primo race. Oh. Primo's got the sauce, bro. Are we done? Are you finished or are we done? I don't like how they're... Like, why are you doing this? What's the deal? Are they looping again? Yeah. Dude, why does it do this? Alright, chill out. Chill out, crazy kids. These crazy kids. George. The glitch still seems like it's happening. What up, Renee? Dude, Primo Rice, bro. He's just so sick. Also really like Mac Miller. But Primo was going in yesterday. I was listening to Bad Ma Effer and A Night at the Chateau. Let's listen to that right now. Talk to him. Dead. They're so good. Gosh. Are those my top 2 Primo albums? No, the saga continues. That's crazy. I'm gonna have to run that one today. Yeah. Talk to him. We gonna bring the bands in. I know it's a part of this. Let's run that one first. I don't know if the good still seems like it's happening. It only starts after, let me, Cursor, you're fired. Bam. I get an error in the list detail view where we have two scroll views or reorderable views in the same view. I think we should remove the top level scroll view and move the refresh controller to the other scroll view. Straight finesse. We want the reorder view and scroll aware view. But we also want pull down to load today. I actually don't want to ignore it, I don't think, because when I looked at it, we literally have two scroll views. Here's the scroll view for the refresh controller, and then we have the reorderable list scroll view. I think we should just have one with a keyboard aware scroll view. So this just needs to go. And then we should be fine. What'd you think? Somersault acrobatic. Why do they do that to us? California. Hey. That fixed the issue, but I can't pull down to load today. Is there anything else we need to do to get the pull down to load today to work? Rich, I feel like I both get things done and get absolutely nothing done. Sometimes. Sometimes. Da-da-dum, da-da-da-dum, da-da-dum. Out with the old, in with the new. No, my God, I can't even pull down to reload today. Like, you're not understanding. with the mimosas. I can't pull down to load today in the list detail view. Like the pull down doesn't do anything, and I never see the refreshing icon. So either a property is wrong or you can't do pull down to refresh with this reorderable list component or keyboard aware scroll view. Are you talking ish, Nino? Talking ish? People are scared how much I'm about to get done. They shouldn't be, because it's not going to be a lot, but oh yeah, nice. Let's go. Golly day, why are you so bad? Freak game. That fixed it, but I'm still seeing the animation for the capture bar to be very bad. It's just slow and glitchy. Is there anything that can be done? If not, we can sit on it and see if we find a solution later. Thank you. Hey everyone, chill out. Cursor, be better. I see what's happening here. It's like, I'm pretty sure that song's not after this song. I'm on shuffle. Talk to him. Lou? I can't tell. We gonna get them bands in. That's nice. That's really real nice. People. What a beautiful day. Sadly, we hit another error. I think because we are using the native driver. That's nice. Nothing. I'm sorry. Out with the old, in with the new. what I'm saying? It's really how it is. Should we be using the reanimated library rather than the React Native animated library? Would that improve it? You are correct. Wait, yes, you are correct. Nino. You already know. Is this good though? Like, is this right, Nino? I just don't want to get caught, and I'm already in a loop, but I don't want to get caught. Oh, that looked good. Fly. Dude. I don't get it. Okay. Yeah, yeah. Yes. I agree. Please continue. Give money. What up, Bautiste? Don't stop, don't stop. What's the shot? What's the chance of this working? I'm giving it like a 20% chance. Bodo. Flipping. What? Don't. The core migration is about 80% complete. Let's see. 2%? You think 2s? Oh, 0. Quickly went to 0%. Parking lot pimpin'. Hitter. Talk that. Big Mac. Straight finesse. What'd you think? 2% again? Out in California. Hey. 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 I know, I just need to put these in there. So I stop sending them every time. Guap. Shop. Oh my gosh, 95% complete. What? Why are we not 100%? Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh, ooh. Acrobatic. Boys. This guy's on one right now. Chill out, bro. Oh my gosh, bro. Whoa, bro. Whoa. Hey, hey, hey. Beautiful. Looks beautiful. Well done. Please get to 100% if you can. Hey. No. At the chateau. What's that about? What's that about? Do I need that? Shake some. Bip. This for the ghetto. Beat. George! Life is so beautiful. Golly day. Golly day, gee willikers. Shake some. Actually, I don't think I want this. Sorry about it. Sorry, not sorry. Damn. This happened while I was swiping on the capture bar to change days on the capture view. George! Apparently I just yelled George a lot because 2 nights ago when we were driving to home after dinners, my lady friend was like, why haven't you yelled what you usually yell on the way home? I was like, what are you talking about? And I actually had. But I just yelled it on the way to the car. So I yelled it again. What am I cooking? I am cooking, I guess you could say I'm cooking oats. I just cook them in my own way. No, I am cooking the capture bar right now. I started by getting way too distracted about the animation here. Thank goodness, because it's looking like that. And then right now I'm going to start doing the select actions. Unless we think I should do list actions. Let me start a poll. Select actions or list actions? Y'all decide. What you think? And if y'all don't decide, I'll decide. That's just how it go. Select. Wow. We might have to look at a Nino for that. So I need to look at my 2zap.app. Wow. Okay. Select actions. Let's get it on. Who knows what that's from? Who knows what that's from? Okay. Let's look at Nino, because Nino's the GOAT, and the rest of us are just kind of just getting by. Not gonna lie. Excuse me. This is the one, baby. I don't want it. Alright. Oh wait, do I have to change the component right now? Wait. What just happened? Oh, it restarted. Nino, you had one where you... I don't want it. You had a, I think one that you had the format actions as well. Oh my gosh, Nino. I'm looking at the same thing. There we go. Oh. Is this it right here? Okay. Let's figure it out. Gosh, should we follow your design of putting the stuff in the header? What's this about too? Should we? I think we should do that. What craft is this? Stuff in the title? I like the select actions being lower, slower. Oh yeah, yeah. I know they've got design. They've got design like. Sorry for making those sounds. I like this a lot, Dino. Gosh. Suck it to me. My What? Okay. Let's do it. When we are selecting and we press the format action, can we pop up a bottom sheet like this? Since we can't turn them into a divider, and we will have actions for the sublist. Maybe, wait, hold up, Nino. Sorry. I think we're gonna put sublist and photo in format. We might need to do something about that. Then up. What else do we have in the format menu, or edit menu, I guess we call it? Headers, bold, italicized. Not. But she ripped. Whoa. People. We're building the best place to write things down. I hope you enjoyed as much as I do. Go. Go ahead. Go. Let's do a couple of things here. And I love you. Drunk, then up. Oh wait, hold up. Wait. Oh. Let me do this first. Can we move the delete button out of the other select actions and have it positioned absolutely on the right with the other actions scrolling behind it? we can have a little box shadow so it's easier to differentiate. Here is Nino's design, which you can try to copy. Let's see. 91, 91, 91, 91, 91, 91, 91, 91, 91. It's gonna be. We're on to the Sire continues. It's amazing how quick that A Night at the Chateau goes. Looks good. I'm on fire. It should only be the height of the bottom buttons. Please. Parking lot pimping. A little too small now. Oh wait. Maybe I can just figure it out. What'd you think? Oh my gosh. That's crazy. Kind of hate it, kind of love it. I think we might have to do Nino's design. Nope. Nope. I have a solution. Wait. Should I leave it like this for now? Oh, I hate it. Whatever. Let's keep it moving. Moving and grooving, baby. Format, move, share, delete info. Maybe this could be less big. It's so big. That's what you said. All right, let's do the format button. For the format button, can we pop up a bottom sheet on top of this? I'll do the component later. New bottom sheet component. Top of this. Not bad. Here is the design for it, but it will just be format options for the type of ting, indents or outdents, starring, completing, turning it into a hyperlink, splitting and joining when we have multiple tings selected. I can help walk through the functionality if you want to do the UI first. Or the format button, can we pop up a bottom sheet on top of this? It will be for formatting the tings, like changing the type, adding indents or outdents, joining and splitting if multiple things are selected, starring, completing, etc. I can help. Let's see what it says. There you go. And, I still want to do all of your animations. Holy cannoli, they're so sick. The adding one or the deleting one was stupid. I also want to know what you're doing with that rain thing, because that was sick too. I mean, that was cool. Should we check this? I'm not seeing it when I click on the format button. Is it hooked up? Maybe we should just look. Yeah, 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 yeah. I actually liked seeing the changes. Hey. Interesting. Is that really what we want? Ah. Holy. Oh my gosh. Here is what it is looking like. Here is what we'd like it to look like. Can you simplify the design and fix some of the wrapping? Thank you. George. Jorge. Giorgio Armani. George. I can't wait to move on to my rap career. I hope to be more like Primo Race. Think it actually did it? I'm sorry, what? It still looks like this. I don't think you simplified it much, or the sizing and spacing is different than Nino's design. What do you think? I didn't know if it was like cast or something. I was like, why? You said you simplified it. What is simpler about this? Like, what do you actually do? Oh, here we go. Live free. I don't know how this is type. I think you can't scroll through the list if you're using a modal component. I was using just a normal view with gesture handler and conditional rendering for closing and opening. Yes, that is correct. That is correct. You mean like this versus like, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, I'm not sure about that yet. icons for complete, indent, outdent, split, and join, please? Are we talking about this scroll? No, you're talking about this scroll. Yeah, I mean, I don't know. We'll figure it out. I need to add more things anyway. I really don't think that's it. Bruh. No, we want the complete icon to be like the strike through icon, the indent icon to be like the indent icon rather than an arrow, and the outdent to be like an outdent icon rather than an arrow, and the split should be like an arrow that splits into two, and the join should be two lines that join into an arrow. I'm looking at your code, Nino. There we go. There we go. Thank you. Read my mind. Straight through. Got it. What you think? How many is it gonna do? Nope. I'll wait for it to finish. Almost. Not all the way, but almost. Nice. Let's go. What are the chances? 0. Okay. This is beautiful. Can we implement the handlers for these so that we can change the type of things to a dash, or to do, toggle the favorited property and save on the back end, toggle completed, indent / outdent. I'll help with the join and split in a bit, but those other actions should be ready to be hooked into. Remember, we want to update things optimistically so that the UI shows the changes without delay, and then we can fire off the API requests. This will provide the best user experience. Thank you. Touche. Mm. Mm. I think we might need to do the bro. It appears you duplicated a few buttons. Can you remove those and just add the handlers for the existing buttons? Yeah. Good boy. I'm seeing logs, but I'm not seeing any changes in the UI, which makes me think we aren't updating the things in the store or with the API. Yeah, seriously, good boy. Get those dupes out of here. Juice box wet. Jeez, bro. I'm hungry. You, baby. I'm not sure if I want to make these changes here. Like, why are we making them here? Why not just make them in the format sheet or literally anything else? I will. I literally had some oatmeal right before this, so I thought I'd be better, but I'm just a hungry guy. Probably. Thank you, Nino. Oh, I agree. But we're live. Let's see how it goes. Oh, good. Are you sure we should be making these changes in the global UI component rather than in the format but bottom sheet component or something else? Cool. Select actions, list actions, other buggies. All right, let's see it. Looks good. Please help. I will eat. How you do that there? We're doing it, slowly but surely. Slowly but surely. You think you're ready for this? New twos? Oh no. Something broke with the format bottom sheet when we moved it. This is what it looks like now. Is everyone hydrating today? Is everyone having a good day? Not enough salt in that water. It's a little too watery. Needs to be a little more salty. I'm back, I'm rusty. Yeah, that's a problem. It's a problem. It's not a problem. The problem seems like an issue with the position of the modal or just the modal in general. This is what it looks like when I'm trying to open it. Can you please help? Please! I said please help! Oh. Should I do a second live stream today? When I'm not reliant on Tuesday. Ooh. I have some calls later. I can do it whenever I want to do it. You know what I'm saying? I can do it at 6 in the morning if I want. Oh wait, what? No. Really? 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 We go. Okay. Can I get out of this? What's happening? Okay. Okay. Seems to be a few bugs. The to-do, the dash type button seems to be working. The to-do type button seems to do the same as the dash button, so that needs to be fixed. The stars button. How do I get back to those? The dash buttons, the stars button seems to star, but not unstar. The complete button doesn't seem to complete or uncomplete. The indent button worked, but then closed the format sheet. The done or the OK button seems to not stop selecting anymore. Can you start with those, please? We go Maine, we go Maine, everywhere that we go. Yeah, people are crazy today. Me included. This is crazy. Tape mapping was wrong. That doesn't seem right. Yeah. I mean, that's just not a good one. This one is... Nope. This one is... Yup. Yup. Yeah. 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 Wait. I got it. I was talking about this okay button. It's not stopping selecting currently. Ankle. Hey. Hey. Boys. Holla, holla. Holla. Read 'em. Read 'em. Holla, holla, holla. 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 Holla, holla, holla. Holla, holla, holla. Alright. I'm gonna have to update my Primo Race album rankings because I'm pretty sure that Bad Mop is... I like it more than The Saga Continues. I just listened to The Saga Continues. It was aight. It was aight. Why are we chilling like that? Or freaking out like that? What's the problem? don't know. I tell these, I'll love them unconditional. Royal rum. Yeah. It seems to be much better now. I'm not seeing the select actions change when I use the actions. For example, I changed the things to a to-do and it still highlighted the dash type even though they were no longer of type dash. What else? The star button didn't update when they're starred. The complete button didn't even work. It just changed them to a dash type. It should be toggling the completed property on them like what we do when we complete them normally, correct? Also, rather than doing the actions ting by ting, we should look at the type or favorited or completed property for the first ting we have selected and then base the updates on that. So if we have a thing that isn't starred, but another thing we have selected is starred, and we use the star button, they should now both be starred because the first one wasn't starred, and then we use the star button. If they were both starred and we use the star button, then they should both now not be starred. Does that make sense? It's my first day, so I don't really know. Just kidding. Okay. And on Figaro. It's a photo shoot. On my wrist. Ooh. Defy. She gonna make it spin, spin, spin. Ooh. Defy. Counting up a ticket. We'll tell you if you did all this. We'll tell you. You don't tell us. We tell you. Shake some. Okay. I think he's doing great. I think you did a great job. Let's say people. Oh yeah. I need to do all of these select actions, but I don't know if I'm gonna do that right now. Let's try the move one. Make some, make some, make some, make some, make some, make some, make some. Blazer. Paper. I moved it to tomorrow, right? Hiyo. Ketchup. Bless up. I'm trying to use the move button in the select actions, but it is not working. I saw a toast message that it was moved, but it was not moved. I am trying to move it to tomorrow. After I get the move action done, we're gonna cut it. And then I'll see what else I get done Tuesday. Me or George? George. Hmm. Look at me. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited for my oats. Alright, let's give it a go. Hiyo. Move to Monday. Bruh. 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 Fresh. Quest. Bills. I tried it again, and I see that the list was just wrong. I clicked tomorrow, but it moved to today. So maybe it's almost working, but the list I pick in the move modal isn't Correct. Yep. Yep. Let me try moving it to a list. Never mind. All right, that worked. Build a... Then dip. Dip. Hey, cursor. George. There we go. Hi. This isn't good. Okay, I tried again. Here is what I got. Seems like there are some other issues going on. This is the best song on Bad Mouth ever. I'm fresher than a ma. 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 I am fresher than a ma. I am fresher than a. I am fresher than a. Yes, but also no. Where's George? Why do we not have George here, people? People. I think she geeking me. I won't freak out too much. I'm going to consider that to be good. Okay, I think it is mostly working. I think Thank you. All right, people. Thank you for being here. Nino, you're the GOAT. You already know. We'll see what I'm about to do. I was thinking I want to go for a run. But I do want to do a lot more work. Probably should respond to Joe, too. Sorry, Joe. Okay. I love you. Thank you for being here. Select actions. I'll be working on the select actions. I'm also might try to fix some of these bugs because golly day, I don't want to have them keep stacking on me. All right. I love you. Thank you for being here. Use TwoStep.com, TwoStep.app. Best place to write things down. Bottom bar app. Put it down there. Like the video. Write a comment. Subscribe. I love you. God bless. Did I get some confetti? Yeah. All right. Bye. Happy Tuesday. Can I get some balloons? There they are. All right. Bye-bye.